Hello friends, it's Sophie. Let's make a butterfly today. Take one strip of quilling paper, cut it in half, roll it into a coil using the quilling tool, let it unwrap in circle size 4. Take it out, make a pinch to make it into a teardrop. Seal the open end with some glue. Repeat and make one more teardrop. Now glue both the teardrops together with the pointed ends meeting each other. This makes a heart shape. Now take another half strip of paper and wrap it around this heart shape. Apply glue as you go. This is your lower wing. Repeat and make one more lower wing. Now for the upper wing, take one full strip of quilling paper, roll it using the quilling tool and let it unwrap in circle size 2. Take it out and shape it into a teardrop. Glue the end and seal it. Now take half a strip of quilling paper, roll it and let it unwrap in circle size 4. Shape it into a teardrop and seal the end. Similar to the lower wings, glue the two teardrops together with the pointed ends meeting each other. Wrap half a strip of quilling paper around these two teardrops to finish the upper wing. Repeat to make one more upper wing. For the body, take half a strip of black quilling paper, roll it and let it unwrap in circle size 2. Take it out and make 2 pinches simultaneously to shape it into an eye shape. Using glue, seal the end. Now take quarter strip of the black quilling paper, fold it in half to make a V shape. Curl the two ends of the V outwards using the quilling tool. Apply glue inside the V shape and place the eye shape inside it. This is the body of the butterfly. Now let's assemble the butterfly. Place the body in the center, the two upper wings on either side, and then place the two lower wings below the upper wings on either side. Add glue in between the pieces to secure them together. And there you have it, your very own butterfly.